La misión de Grupo Bimbo es alimentar a un mundo mejor y también dar el mejor servicio de nuestra parte como compañía y ser una empresa altamente productiva y plenamente humana. El reto que teníamos era cómo tener un ecosistema integrado, tanto en la parte de plataformas como en la parte de procesos, que no por un lado tuviéramos la parte de service y por otro tuviéramos toda la parte de escucha digital y gestión de redes sociales, sino un modelo que te unificara todos los procesos y que a su vez también las plataformas que estuviéramos o que tuviéramos que utilizar estuvieran integradas en el mismo lugar.
What's our vision of digital transformation? Like I always say, technology is not about tech, but it's about business and people. When you resonate with a proper message and you solve, for example, a mama problem of, giving her the right recipe for her kid's lunch because he doesn't want to eat the same thing over and over again, that's when you win, and that's being human.
The most important is the consumer. How can we listen to consumers? With this support from Sprinklr. The audiences are in different social media platforms. We are listening to these consumers with the Sprinklr. Analytics and data, it's key. And it's not only recover the data, we need to understand this data and try to catch these insights and go forward in order to use this data to solve these solutions.
Well, that's why you have to be customer obsessed. If you stop being customer obsessed, you're going to lose your touch with your customers, with the new kids, with the new generations, with older people, and that's when you need to have the proper message. And so that's what marketing today is, really getting the right message through technology, right communication, right execution. So that's why I love my job, really understanding and having an edge on every other communication because we care, we really do care. So, caring is having the right message also.